Yeah, it's almost after 3 months I got an new job hike, which is almost 45%. The reason I was looking out for change was because I was keen to work on most of the AI part, and
Mm-hmm.
I learned a lot of AI while working on with enrolled with this particular course. So majorly all the AI tools that I used was basically related to the management part of it, where we used to have a lot of presentation and lot of discussion and how AI can modify that. Yeah, from SDM to director as a for service management in ITSM, I got an hike of 45%. So
Okay,
that was
that's
a
very good to know.
good year. Yeah, from SDM to director as a for service management in ITSM, I got an hike of 45%. So
Okay,
that
that's
was a
very good to know.
good year.
Hi, Umesh. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Today we are here to get to know about your achievement and what you have achieved by enrolling in our courses, which is AI Accelerator program.
Mhm.
So, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? That which industry do you belong to, and till now where you have been working and all?
Yeah, so I'm working in the IT industry. Total years of experience that I have is 24 plus years of experience. The last company currently which I'm working is with Atos. I'm almost working for 14 years. The current designation that I was holding with Atos was Service Delivery Manager, and it is purely based with cloud migration, AI, and other technology that I'm supporting with this company.
Okay, so that's very good to know. And now, can you tell me about like how did you get to know about the our master class and about Be10x? Where have you learned about us?
Yeah, actually, the thing is that I used to see a lot of videos from both Aditya sir. They used to have a lot of all short videos or advertisement where they used to tell us that if only on rupees 9 if we are able to crack what exactly the AI. So I was very much interested, and I learned that, and I enrolled from there.
Okay, sure. And can you tell me about your success story and achievement that you have achieved after enrolling in our Be10x program?
Yeah, it's almost after 3 months I got an new job hike, which is almost 45%. The reason I was looking out for change was because I was keen to work on most of the AI part, and
Hmm.
I learned a lot of AI while working on with enrolled with this particular course. So majorly all the AI tools that I used was basically related to the management part of it, where we used to have a lot of presentation and lot of discussion and how AI can modify that. So we normally use GenSpark, ChatGPT, Claude Perplexity, and other things. Initially, I use AI to optimize my resume, specifically for role base, and then I leverage AI data for the negotiation part, and then I personally built my branding part, which I have learned from Be10x course which I was doing. And after this, I apply all this thing during the interview section, and I have a mock preparation test with AI as well. So all these skills have helped me in getting the new job that I am currently working as a director for service management uh, in
Okay.
one of the top-most IT company.
Okay, so can you tell me how much like salary hike have you received, or like if you have you got any promotion?
Yeah, from SDM to director as a for service management in ITSM, I got an hike of 45%. So
Okay,
that was
that's
a
very good to know.
good year.
Okay, sure. And any strategies that you have followed after in your getting the in your shortlisting for the interview part, and you have cracked the interview?
Yeah, basically, as I told that I prepared the resume role based using the AI.
Hmm.
Whatever job description used to come, I used to update the resume accordingly. I follow the AI tool to have my resume AST score more than 90%. And then as per the interview question, I used to prepare the mock-up interview with AI tools that were supported in the classes, and I used them, and I completely was prepared with the interview. And that was the difference that I made while giving the interview.
Okay, okay, sure. So, any advices you would like to give to the fellow learner or like the learner which will come in the incoming future to us?
Yeah, the basic thing that they have to do is they have to complete the assessment on disciplined way. All the assessment has to be perfectly done. All the classes has to be attended. Where there are key points or major points, they have to note it down, and they have to ensure that if they have missed any of the class or any of the videos, they can go back through the videos and make a notes of it and ensure that they are practicing and having the questionnaires. If they are not following anything, so they can have the question sent on the particular questionnaire so that they can get the answer.
Okay, okay, sure. So thank you, sir. Thanks for coming. So thanks for joining us and make our day memorable. So yeah, thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Good day.
Thank
Bye.
you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah, bye.